Welcome to nature's gentle embrace. Let the soft crackling of the fire calm your senses, and the soothing birdsong carry your thoughts to a peaceful forest. This is more than sound. This is a moment of stillness, a break from the noise of the world. Just you, the fire, and the melody of the trees. Whether you're winding down, finding focus, or searching for sleep, these sounds are your sanctuary. Experience this moment for a while, and when you're ready, drift into our full 2-hour soundscape. A black screen, no distractions, just deep, natural peace. Follow the link in the description. Sleep deeper, breathe slower, and return to what truly matters. You. Enjoy the soothing sounds of this preview for a while longer, and be sure to check out my channel for Relax and Sleep.